Hi, welcome to Zenslides.com. What is Zenslides? Zenslides is a platform where I share my simple magics and techniques that will wow your audience. In other words, it is a collection of ideas, techniques that are very simple, but it will revolutionize your boring slides. Now, how many of you here have suffered from death by PowerPoint? It is slow and painful. If I were to ask you, would you like your audience to suffer from death by PowerPoint? Of course, the answer is no. But how can you transform your boring slides to an amazing one? The answer is Zenslides. But I'm not a designer. I'm not a tech savvy. I don't have time. If you belong to any of these groups, or if you are experiencing any of these problems, then you are at the right place. Zenslides is definitely for you. Zenslides do not require any additional graphics software. You don't have to know the latest marketing or design trend to make a wow slide. And most importantly, by applying Zenslides, you will save lots of time. Let me give you a real example. I was given a task to transform this TB slide or tuberculosis slide. So the question is, how can you change the cover of the slide without eliminating the subject? And you have to make a powerful introduction because the first slide will establish the first impression from the audience. The task will not be easy if you are not a designer, a tech savvy. In fact, you may spend ages in just thinking of the right way to improve your slides. But with Zenslides, you can literally transform your slide in minutes, not hours, not days or years. This is an example of the slide that I made. So you can compare this one with the previous one. You can see a big difference in terms of emotion and in simplicity. Now, if you want to take a look at the full slide that I have done, you can simply go to this link, http://tinyurl.com/zentb. And this is another example. So how could you transform a typical unimpressive slide cover using Zenslide techniques? So the first example is you can simply change the arrangement of the form. The second one, you can add colors to your slide cover. For example, in this case, I changed the color of number 6 into yellow. And you can also try this method where you add an image to your subject and it will still produce a powerful introduction. It is simple. And all those examples that I have mentioned are covered in Zenslides. Zenslides only require two things. The first one is PowerPoint, and second one is you. So Zenslides only require PowerPoint and you. So if you are interested, if you want to learn more